ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, రెడ్ కలర్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. పార్లమెంట్ అండ్ సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ 8th క్లాస్ పార్ట్ 1 బిట్స్. Which is the highest law making body in India? Assembly, Court, Parliament, Election Commission. Correct answer, Parliament. Who implements laws and policies made by legislature houses? Executive, Parliament, State Assembly, President. Correct answer, Executive. Which year the Parliament adopted a national policy on education? 1986, 1985, 1975, 1991. Correct answer, 1986. In which year Parliament passed the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act? 2009, 2005, 2006, 2010. Correct answer, 2009. Which of the following is not a part of Parliament? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President, Prime Minister. Correct answer, Prime Minister. Who approves the annual budget for every year? Election Commission, Parliament, Supreme Court. None. Correct answer, Parliament. How many members in Lok Sabha? 545, 250, 538, 560. Correct answer, 545. How many maximum numbers in Rajya Sabha? 260, 250, 270, 300. Correct answer, 250. Option B correct. The term of Rajya Sabha member is 5 years, 4 years, 6 years, 1 year. Correct answer, 6 years. How much part of members retire for every 2 years in Rajya Sabha? 1/2, 1/3, 1/5, 1/4. Correct answer, 1/3. Which of the following has more powers in money matters? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Parliament. None. Correct answer, Lok Sabha. Who controls the Council of Ministers? Prime Minister, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Court. Correct answer, Lok Sabha. Majority of Lok Sabha members elects President, Prime Minister, Home Minister, Finance Minister. Correct answer, Prime Minister. How many Lok Sabha constituencies in our India? 543, 545, 560, 250. Correct answer, 543. How many seats reserved for SCs? 79, 41, 423, 543. Correct answer, 79. How many seats reserved for STs? 45, 41, 54, 79. Correct answer, 41. Which state has the highest Lok Sabha seats? Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. How many Lok Sabha seats in Andhra Pradesh? 42, 25, 18, 17. Correct answer 25. How many Rajya Sabha seats in Andhra Pradesh? 11, 18, 7, 25. Correct answer 11. How many Lok Sabha constituencies in Delhi? 7, 1, 2, 4. Correct answer 7. The term of Lok Sabha is 6 years, 5 years, 4 years, 1 year. Correct answer 5 years. Lok Sabha is also known as Upper House, Lower House, Middle House. None. Correct answer Lower House. Rajya Sabha is also called as Upper House, Lower House, Parliament. None. Correct answer Upper House.